يا كونوا كانت تجربة مستوى كينيا لفنا دوبة تركتن كنا هون ديمني ميلان رفني أما كانوا بشانت يعني جرا جولة كنا ولين بشانت يعني جرا دوني دي أبتشو ديمنا so أكمل يرتور دوستة كوجمتو تماتي كي يوتيوب yes I'm coming يكون هم دي بشاني ساعتي لما في كبرني جرا. I'll have fishes.
Exactly, man. These guys are local, man. He's local. So how did he even start?
So the white mangrove, they have a breed.
Oh, bro, these Somalis are fearless, man.
See the small goats on the ground?
Somalis are fearless.
So a long time ago, the old man, they used this white man. And then we have another one here, the green one. But this one, they don't have a local name. They have a white mango. But old mango here, they have a Latin name, like white one. So the white one, they come from Syria, Marina. Don't have this one there. So they have a don't have a and then here you can find another species here. But this one they go on the second zone because on the second zone there's no more salt than the first zone. Like this one here. So they are called yellow mango or serious gal. So they have a bunch of fruits on the ground or the near it. Yeah? So but this one is a hardwood one. So those name of the white, yellow, and then we can get another colors. Yeah. Yeah, so if you want to describe some species, you must to look the leaves and roots are just different. Yeah, like this one, they have a egg shape. So they have a butter suit on the ground, the yellow. Yeah? They do this. Other projects they come to buy this and then they plant them. Because a long time ago, the people destroyed the forest. They cut the mango to build some houses or they make a charcoal, but they don't know how to conserve the mango. So if someone they cut a mango here, it's a big problem for the marine park. You can get arrested and then you go to it. Put food there in the jail. Yeah. You can see the difference, huh? Also the leaves, yeah? Also the fruit, like my roots, and then there's a still fruit, yeah? So I mean still fruit, they come from the branch there, and then they go down to support the plant, or they make work easier. They carry water easily to the branch there.
Like this one.
So, yeah, like this one, huh? Or this one here, on the branch here. They are called still fruits. So the new leaf of the red mangrove is like a spine leaf, like this one here. So, but yellow and red are just hardwood one, yeah? So they use like a building materials also, so like poles. But yellow and red we're going to see on the second zone, because the second zone is just mixed forest there. There's no more salt than the first zone. There's a less salt.
Remember this thing? When you're not dying. You gotta chill, bro. I'm talking. No, he got kicked off the show. He was oh!
Marabu stock. And then secretibis are Egyptian bird, but are very common here in this creek. So the way we walk down there, we're going to see also some birds there. Okay, welcome to our Indiana Jones boat. So wait first. So before we have starting our walk, guys, the boardwalk is just 206 meters. At the end, there's a bird view there. So for this moment, the women group that they do conservation, they get supported with the Kenya National Museum. Also, there's a nice restaurant there. They're called Daawwadhaa restaurant. Also, we're going to pass there. So the boardwalk have made from the boards and electrical cables. There's some two passes just installed. The first one and the end one there, but others they're just wobbling. So when we pass here, make sure you step on the middle of the board, because if you step outside there, maybe other knives they get rusted, so they can pull you out. So don't make acrobat, guys. Yeah? So here after there, you're going to work together, but if you're starting wobbling, two at a time. Huh? If you don't mind, you can give the ball. Yeah, I can carry the ball. So let's be careful, guys. Okay? No, guys, let's make this. Come on. Make sure you step on the middle.
Yeah, this is our life. If you die here, you just leave. Mr. Rashid, let's go.
Only too fast. Two people per day. We divide into two.
Can I pass?
Oh my God.
Yes. Let me.
No, you will.
Wait, let me pass Bright.
You can take some picture, guys. Remember to capture the nice moments.
Huh? Nice one before we die.
Let's go. In twos.
Okay.
Can go, sir. Move. Yeah, move. Go, man.
Hey, this is so amazing.
No, it's not so. For me, I simply find this as a suicide mission.
I don't know why.
Oh no, I'm too tall for this.
I fall. First me and then you. Yeah. So those taproots,
It's not going back.
those taproots also they clean the sea. So there's a seaweed.
Lads, I like chill, bro. Why no? Can you tell Michael to stop, man? What they do?
So you see the taproots.
Wait. Concentration. Attention, concentration.
See the taproots.
Boys.
So those taproots,
Okay, I don't like the sound of that.
seaweed, they come with the tide. When they patch there, they become food for the crabs also fish. So here it's a marine reserve. They can allow you to keep fishing. Yeah?
How much do you weigh, Bright? Oh my God, Bright, how much do you weigh? Hello, how much do you weigh? Wait, I don't like this shit.
The same guy who's afraid of food.
Okay.
Mama, Eric!
Later in drown you, fucker.
But this guy's gonna be our next victim.
Let me go catch you.
Go! I don't want this guy on me. Move.
Oh, wait.
Pia na wamba na pia na wenda zinaenda put some you will put some factors into consideration before you leave.
fresh oyster here.
Oh yes. Salmonella infection coming up.
I want to
I want to see you eat it.
Give it to
I
Joe.
don't
You
like
know
it
you
raw.
need to wash it first, right? You need to wash
I
it.
don't like it raw.
I like it raw.
Wait, is it salt?
Yeah.
Okay, no, I'm not with them. I'm not with them.
Oh.
So
No.
who can eat oyster?
Me. Wait, is it clean already?
Yo, wait,
Yeah,
Levian,
yeah.
Levian,
So
wait,
you
wait. Levian,
Just
wait.
eat that.
That gel.
Is it an animal or a plant?
It's an animal.
Levian, go back.
Levian,
Levian, don't eat it.
Say hi to your mom and then say bye-bye.
Bye, mom.
Wait, is it healthy though?
Yeah, it says.
Are you sure?
It's healthy, bro.
I doubt it.
You
I
don't
don't eat it.
Levian, say bye to your mom.
Cheers,
Mashallah,
cheers.
brothers. Mashallah, mashallah, mashallah.
Okay,
Bye,
bye,
mom.
Levian.
Yeah, only that gel, yeah.
I like that characters.
They have a natural salt, yeah.
Shares your thumb.
Oh, sasa zinapatikana wapi?
Kwenye hizo mashine. How do you live it? Hizo maroots. Hizo maroots.
Kwani zinaishi hapo ndani?
Yeah.
This one here.
They are very sharp guys, yeah. They have,
Give me another one. Give me another one.
who can try
Me.
another one?
Wait, well, I actually tried. It's actually so
Another
fresh.
one?
Michael.
Sawa sawa. Bob Jeff. Bye bye.
That's MJ. I'm Bob Jeff.
Let me call your mom for the last time.
Good appetite.
Yes.
Man. Next.
Abdullah, you take me one. Throw it, my friend.
So it's the family of the bivalve shells, yeah?
So you are removing it. Oh.
So kishika mashaza ndo haya bro.
So it's type of fish.
It's mollusk, the bivalve shell. So the
Oh,
bivalve
so
shell.
they are keeping on opening.
Yeah. So the live one.
Oh, hiyo ni live ama imekufa?
Hiyo ni live. Kama imekufa utaipata imejaa chini yetu hivyo. Na so ile ukistep hivyo. So na wao wamebase kuka kwenye hizo ma small ones ndo na. Kama wewe.
Bishaanitti dhiyaannee jirra amma. Lafti bishaanii akka jiru.
Mr. Rashid.
Yes. How many are? Bright and Abdul Fattah. Bright and Abdullah is my team.
Right and up. No, so let's do Ayman up. Bright and Ayman. You take your one. And then me, Fanta, and Ayman, ours. And then Mr. Rashid.
Uh-huh.
We go with Eric and Levian.
Volume up, Alright, give me my phone. Let's put this.
Look, I got enemies, got a lot of
Enemy.
a lot of people gonna betray me on my energy.
Hey, look up behind you. Hey.
Wait for your nigga. I got girls in real life trying to fuck on my day. Fuck on
Ah.
that ain't part of my
We are already in the boat.
day. My family too. I got niggas that can never leave Canada too. I got 2 mortgages, 30 million in total. I got niggas that are still trying to fucking me over. I got rap niggas that are gonna act like a life. But my acting days are over. Fuck them niggas for life. Yeah, I got enemies.
Down, I go deep like a running back. Just jumped on the private jet and rode a joint. Play the beat. I'm tryna fuck your girl, I'm tryna fuck your mama. Fuck the drama. Bank account got an extra comma. Yeah, they sweat me like the sauna. Red carpet in my own merch like that shit is designer. Did you know I'm mixed like Obama? It ain't a project if logic ain't talk about me. I'm biracial, I'm like coastal, I'm platinum.
This song by you know this song by Lulu Zifet. Watch it. Yo, can I please connect?
Sticklish. Pigeni picha bro hapa mkikazi natoka po ajabu yani picha. Yeah, by the way, we can take
Oh my god. Where? Oh. Why? Boys! You can take this ball. Gara caakkaa keessa seenne. Wow. Daawwannaa dhugaam namatti tolu. Lafti ni oowwa malee. Mukkeen akkanii argeen beeku an dhaloota kiyya irratti.
No, that doesn't even look like a buffalo.
That's a buffalo. That looks nothing like a buffalo.
Why does it look like an antelope though? That's the question.
Yeah, it looks like an antelope. Left, you're not so busy.
just put your mind picture.
But I think you've never seen an antelope. Well, this guy's dropping Geo, man.
Yo.
Image.
Yeah, I dropped Geo.
Drop by your Angie.
Exactly, I'm about to drop one of them, bro.
What equivalent is this? I don't know. We play volleyball. We play volleyball. Yes. So now, I'm today, Majora. Amazing.
I think we drink first and then we go.
Yes.
Yeah.
People will get us.
I'm a good brother, we are building a team to play football. Good brother, what you saying, Jiram? Bring the ball.
Go there.
This is a fish.
So the spine is for defense. Where's it not?
Wana majaribu kumfishi ni kutumia. What kind of fish is this? Wait, look at the gill.
So the gill is the only
They actually are.
spine. Yeah?
Look at the gill, my friend. Wait. Iddoo nyaataa keenya kun waan namatti tolu.
Guys, you know we have left our drinks there. So can we spare like 10 minutes? I go for them and then we come.